Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the connecting rod for the Wighton gas engine. The material, plain carbon steel, units are inches, pounds, and seconds. ANSI drafting standard. I'm going to sketch this, I'm going to begin this model by sketching a rectangle on the front plane. And I'm going to use a corner point rectangle and model it just to the right of the origin. I'm going to add a midpoint relation between the origin and this line. I'm going to make the width of this rectangle 0.1 and the length of this rectangle is going to be 0.68. And now I'm going to extrude this rectangle using midplane to a width of 0.125 and do a quick file save. Now from the front plane, make a new sketch. I'm going to draw a couple of circles. Draw one right here and another one right at the midpoint of this line. The diameter here is going to be 1/4 inch. The diameter here will be 0.2. I'm going to extrude in one direction up to this surface, and I'm going to select direction 2 and choose up to that surface. So my sketch remains in the middle, and I'm extruding up to the faces of my initial boss, so that as I change the width of my rectangle, these cylinders follow it. And now I'm going to add a 1/8 inch radius at all 4 corners. Go back to the front plane and sketch the 2 circles. And they're identical, so we can use an equal relation. And because we're sketching in the center, we can do a through all both, and the connecting rod is done. Moving on to the assembly.